the Silicon Valley for textiles in Taiwan. Taiwan's textile industry is equipped with comprehensive industrial clusters and an integrated supply chain from upstream to downstream segments actively engaged in global deployment. It provides flexible production, quick responses, and customized services. Known internationally for its innovative technology, Taiwan's textile industry not only implements strict product inspection and quality control and practices sustainability, but also strives toward automation and intelligentization. Thus, Taiwan can be called the Silicon Valley for textiles. With abundant innovative R&D capacity and design ability, Taiwan's plentiful textile talents and teams are fully capable of generating creative ideas and developing multi-application products. Climate change has damaged the global environment. Practical actions are taken by the industry to protect nature, conserve resources, and reduce pollution. Recycle and reuse practices are employed to create circular models for sustainable, continuous development. With the development of IoT and AI, Taiwan's high-tech advantages are incorporated to keep in step with Industry 4.0. In wearable smart textiles, to enhance buyers' experiences and create a new smart and healthy lifestyle, AR and VR interactive technologies are utilized. Athleisure and fashion, outdoor and sports, home and lifestyle, medical and protective, technical and industrial. Taiwan offers a multitude of textiles for a variety of applications to meet the needs of a diversity of lifestyles. Taiwan's textile industry will continue to innovate, research, and develop green and functional products and build sustainable value chains to create endless possibilities for the comfort of our lives. Taiwan, the new Silicon Valley of the global textile industry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our innovative textile material new product launch. This is Evan. And this event is organized by the Taiwan Textile Federation. The Taiwan Textile Federation is a non-profit organization commissioned by the Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economy Affairs to implement the Textile Expo Promotion Project. This project selects excellent textile suppliers and promotes their innovative and sustainable exports through the measures of trade missions, exhibitions, and the new product launch like today. With the diversity of its talent pool, capacity of its research and design and innovation, and also the competitive new brands, Taiwan's textile industry it's already been considered as one of the most powerful and trusted partners around the world. Today is the second day of the 2 days innovative textile material new product launch. Like yesterday, we are going to introduce you another 3 innovative and sustainable company. Here comes Aslan Chemical and Fiber Corporation, Syntex Industrial Company, and Liplong. So ladies and gentlemen, no further ado, sit tight and enjoy! What is your dream clothes? Maybe it has to be comfortable and durable, beautiful, and also biodegradable. Is it possible when we talk about the chemical fiber? Or even more, we combine the chemical fiber with natural fiber like wool. Can it still achieve the dream clothes standard? Oh, we should add something. It has to be eco-friendly during the production and dyeing process. Whew, it sounds not easy. However, it's not even a problem to the next company we are going to introduce you. It's Aslan Chemical and Fiber Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, they are going to bring us the new and dream clothes.
Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm the sales representative for Sustainable and Functional Yarns in Aslan Chemicals and Fiber Corporation. Here is some information about us. Aslan is one of the top synthetic yarn makers in Taiwan, and we established in 1988. Our monthly capacity is around 5,000 tons. All these yarns are produced from the 3 plants by 400 well-trained employees. And all our factories located in central Taiwan, and we are 100% made in Taiwan. And we make various yarns, such as nylon 6, polyester, conjugate yarn, polypropylene, lyocell, and melange yarn from the above. Here you can see all these applications are almost all end uses for your daily lives. Everyone is paying more and more attention to environmental protection issues and looking to use sustainable yarns to replace the industrial ones. We, Aslan, complete our product range in eco-friendly and sustainable yarns, include less waste, less pollution, and lower the consumption in petrol resources, and to prolong the life cycle of the textiles. Today, we focus in 3 products: the bio-based nylon 410, ACE EcoBio, the biodegradable yarn with cyclo, and the abrasion-resistant yarn DuraExtend. Okay, let's start from ACE EcoBio, the nylon 410. Nylon 410 is 70% bio-based from castor oil plant, and you don't have to worry about it competing with the food chain. It grows in poor land and do not need too much water for irrigation. And it is carbon neutral, so we have shorter carbon footprint for this product. ACE EcoBio Nylon 410 is your best choice in choosing a bio-based material. Besides it's eco-friendly, it offers better dyeing affinity than other castor oil-based nylon products. And you can see this dress in the slide. The performance in dyeing is excellent. Okay, let's move to the second product, the biodegradable with cyclo additives. The cyclo additives are added during the extrusion, so the material is evenly mixed inside the yarns to help its biodegradation. You don't have to worry that your clothes might rot during your wearing it, or the bags might break when you're still using it. There are 3 elements for biodegradation. The first is temperature, and then heat and time. So the material will not break under standard use. We follow cyclo system, so you could apply the hand tag of cyclo for your products. We can offer all specs you will need, include 100% nylon 6, melange yarn for nylon and polyester, melange yarn for nylon and green cell, melange yarn for polyester and green cell, and also the conjugate yarn. And green cell is our brand name for our lyocell filament yarn, which can be 100% biodegraded too. So it is a perfect match with cyclo yarn. Okay, here comes the last, the abrasion-resistant yarn, DuraExtend. You can see the 3-dimensional porous structure like this. DuraExtend yarn contains this material, which helps to enhance the elastic recovery, distortion withstanding, and the abrasion resistance ability. You can choose whether to dye it or not. Some customers do not dye it and take it as stop-dyed color yarn. They like the gray color. If you dye it, and the color will be a little bit darker than the original ones. In this picture, you can see the red ones are the gray yarn. You can see the light spot inside the yarn. This is the three-dimensional porous structure I showed in last slide. And they are strongly bonded in the material and help offer the resistance to abrasion. Here is a clearer picture. When the fabric is wrapped, those porous structures effect and offer some recovery to elastics and withstand the distortions, so the yarn can be stand longer to wraps. Here is a development from our customer. We compare the woven fabric for workwear made with DuraExtend and Cordura. After 300,000 cycles, we can see there is no hole in the fabrics. Let me summarize what DuraExtend can help in the fabric development here. It can enhance the wear resistance of fabrics and to decrease the weight loss after wraps. And DuraExtend helps extend the life cycle of fabrics and products. You can also use the recycled materials with DuraExtend. We have also great performance in blending with wool, which has poor ability in wear resistance. If you are interested in more stories, you are welcome to contact us at any time. We strongly recommend selecting our sustainable yarns, the bio-based Nylon 410 S EcoBio, the bio-based yarn with cyclo, and abrasion-resistant yarn DuraExtend as the material of your products. Okay, my presentation is going to end here, and I'm Chris. Please feel free to contact me at any time.
Hello, Chris.
Hello, Ivan.
Thank you for bringing so many amazing products here. And first question, I'm personally very interested in the bio-based nylon. What is the difference between your product and the similar products on the market right now?
Okay, first, the fabric size is stable, and we offer better drapery. And the most important is that the dyeing affinity is better than current markets offer in bio-based materials.
Wow, any example?
Yeah, you can see the dress here.
Oh.
And the performance in dyeing is excellent. So you won't meet too much problem in dyeing this kind of fabrics, while some others are having some problems.
Wow, indeed, the overall performance is amazing. And for the second question, you mentioned in the presentation that the DuraExtend, when combined with the wool, it could improve the abrasion resistance. How exactly does it work?
We blend the Duratex with wool to make Ceraphil yarn, and it can greatly improve the abrasion resistance, like this SAS.
Oh.
Okay. With the DuraExtend yarn, the peeling test can reach to 3 to 4 grades, while the original ones can only get 2.
Wow, that difference, 3 to 4, wow. And also, we know that biodegradation is the new trend. And what is the advantage when the customer chooses your product?
Actually, I have to say it's Aslan's advantages. As we are strong in various yarns, we can combine nylon 6, polyester, and polypropylene with cyclo. And at the same time, we can make conjugate yarns like split type, sheath and core type, and side-by-side type. So whether you need it with melange yarn or conjugate yarn, we can tailor-made for you.
Wow, you have so many different product lines, and also it seems like you could meet all kinds of requirements, right?
Yes, we have flexible production and open-minded for any discussion. So if you have any yarn demand, please feel free to contact us at any time.
Yes, if you have any question, any requests, just come here. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like our product, remember, you are going to find
Aslan Chemicals and Fiber Corporation.
next company we are going to introduce you is always focusing on the sustainability. They're trying to find the new solutions on saving more water, more energy, and create more green products to the world. They insist to create more from less. But what is more? What is less? Now, Libelon is going to answer the question. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Libelon.
Hello everyone, this is Elsie from Libelon. Through years by years, generations by generations, have you ever noticed that textile industries have grown rapidly and become the primary business sector in several countries? The revolution of the industry has created more new innovations all over the time. But what would be the impact for the society? Have we noticed where would be the waste go afterwards? The society, our environment, needs our help. With the research from US Environmental Protection Agency, 66% of the textile waste was dumped in landfills and caused more up to 1 million tons in 2019, which means the global textile waste has increased 811% for over the past 60 years. Here the graphic shows the significant increase for global textile waste from 1960 until 2019. The textile waste was managed into 3 different category parts, which is recycled textile, textile that was combusted by energy recovery, and those that was dumped directly into landfills. Therefore, waste management and other related green practices are crucial in this textile industry. The essential of it is also crucial for us, Libelon, where green products and green environment will always become our principles to protect the climate change in our planet. Now, allow me to introduce to you more about us, Libelon. Libelon was founded in 1975 in Taiwan, and in 2017, we enlarged our business to Indonesia. Our company is vertical integrated and R&D oriented manufacturer with total 3,000 employees around the world. Libelon is capable to produce 10 million yards fabric per month, with majority 70% of woven and 30% of knitted fabrics. Having the capabilities and facilities doesn't make Libelon neglect the changes happening in our surroundings. As our population and industrial sector grows along with the necessities of water, no wonder water scarcity gained global attention and caused 1/3 of human beings do not have access of fresh water. Which is why this is the reason Libelon is committed to sustainable actions and sustainable products in order to save the water. Ekoya, our solution dyed yarn fabric, could be the best solution for you. By combining the color pigment and polymer without having any water involved during the process, the master batch from Ekoya could be directly extruded into yarns and weave it into fabric. So the benefits that you will have from Ekoya compared to the regular fabric, the process definitely saved the water until 80% from the standard water usage and saved 63% from CO2 discharge. If you wonder whether Libelon have sustainable raw material or not, the answer is definitely yes. Our recycled polyester yarn, Polyplus, came from waste polyester fabrics and yarns recycled into our Polyplus yarn material. So speaking of the benefit itself, the energy consumption from regular polyester and the recycled version certainly shows better results compared to regular polyester, up to 70%. So here, we proudly present to you our Re-Ekoya. Libelon is able to combine the recycled polyester and Ekoya with the same quality just as the previous products. So the benefit from Re-Ekoya is also more sustainable as the raw material itself was also recycled. So aside of saving the water, electricity, and emissions discharged to our planet, Re-Ekoya provide high color fastness with personal color customized service. In conclusion, having sustainable actions will definitely save our planet. Imagine if we could at least save the water up to 124 liters. We could save so many people's lives for sure and support our daily basis. So don't you worry, because we are certified by international textile audit associations, where we reassure you our products are safe for people and the environment. I believe, Libolon, we are the perfect choice and working partner for you to save the world together. Feel free to follow us for more further updates.
Hello, Elsie.
Hello, Evan.
We're so happy to have Elsie here and with the whole product line.
Yeah.
So during your presentation, I was so touched by your talking.
Thank you.
And the first question for you is, what is the concept when Libolon trying to develop this kind of recycled products?
Okay, so even sustainability will always be the concept when Libolon design a product. When we start designing a fabric, the input, the raw material, until the output becoming a fabric, the whole process must be designed for the environment, which means it will be both a green product and green environment. So the definition of the green product that Libolon has, it means it refers to recycle. So it will be a huge advantage for the customers and also for the environment, because even as we know, the industrial has emissions discharged and numbers are increasing from time to time. So Libolon needs to take an action for it, because it will definitely create harm for the environment if we don't have at least taken action for it.
Yes.
Right? So sustainability will always be the main concept for Libolon. Even the products that behind us here are all labeled as recycled product.
Wow, thank you for doing that for the whole environment. And the next question is, with these beautiful products, what is the difference and the benefit between your product, the recycled one, and the traditional fabric?
So as you can see here, even this is our product, Re-Ecoya fabric. As Re-Ecoya was produced from the recycled raw material, but what's the differences from the standard fabric? No water is involved during the production with this Re-Ecoya. And with this Re-Ecoya, you will get a high quality in color fastness compared to the standard fabric, right? So we are also open for customers that would like to customize their own color in this fabric. Yeah. So high quality and beautifully designed fabric in Re-Ecoya, you will certainly have it, a whole package from us, Libolon.
Wow, so ladies and gentlemen, now you know you can have more from less, more beautiful, more quality, but less harm to our environment.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. And the last question we are going to ask you is that for Libolon, what is your vision and what can we expect, that where are you leading us to?
Libolon, we will continue to produce more from less.
Yes.
So we are raising the awareness for the sustainability to the world through our products. Libolon will also continue to strive more for sustainability with one of our projects. Go Green projects. Yeah, so we have a lot of concepts and ideas in Go Green projects. We have the SRF system team in here. We turn waste into energy. We also have an innovations from the water conservation system, just like our Ecoya and Re-Ecoya, and several future investments that we have in solar power and wind power. So even actually, Libolon use all of the electricity in the first half of 2020. The electricity was used from the solar.
Wow.
So it is very sustainable. Yeah, and we also plan to have the investments for the wind power for the next several years. So other than this Go Green project, we also provide the best services that we could have for our customers around the world. We will continue to serve you, and we will also happy to expand our partnership and networking with you and also with us, Libolon.
So ladies and gentlemen, talking about Libolon, we have 3 keywords. The first one is sustainability, and the second one is more from less. More quality, more beauty from less harm to the environment. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for this kind of wonderful and brilliant products, you are going to find
Libolon.
Have you ever drank coffee? Of course. But have you ever wear the clothes made of coffee? Maybe or maybe not. The next company we are going to introduce you have a very brilliant idea. They are not just only use the coffee ground to make the textile, but also extract the coffee oil from the coffee yarn making process and replace the petroleum to make the membrane. Wow! This is amazing, but here comes a lot of questions. How does the whole process going? And will this replacement from the petroleum to coffee oil influence the whole function and performance of the membrane? Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the next company, the Syntex Industrial Company. They are going to give you all the answers.
Hello everyone, this is Tony from Syntex. Very nice to have you here. And today I trying to provide my PowerPoint like this, totally 3 parts. First is something about Syntex. Second is our latest product. And the last one is the award and the brand who use our product. So first, Syntex, we set up our company in 1989, already 31 years in the world. And in the past, we only focus on one thing. We offer functional textile in outdoor market. We have many global patents. We have at least 36 in the world. And the most famous one is our excavate technology. This page I show you, excavate, actually we recycle the coffee ground from coffee shop and mix the ground with recycled PET bottle to produce the sheer fabric of this jacket. And every morning when I drink coffee, I always see one layer coffee oil on the top, on the cup. And we use ground into the fiber, and we also try to think how to use the oil. Before we maybe make some soap or some shampoo, but one day we make it into polyurethane to provide waterproof, highly breathable behind this fabric. So AIRMEM is our product. And what is AIRMEM? AIRMEM is a PU membrane, functional PU membrane, but the inside have 26% from coffee oil, from waste coffee oil. So before, PU always 100% from petroleum. Right now, we reduce 26% use. So energy saving, but still provide the same function. So we just simply use the waste and make into polyurethane to provide waterproof, windproof, and highly breathable. This is our AIRMEM. So AIRMEM, totally, this membrane have 2 types. Yeah, 2 ways to transfer the moisture from your inner to outside. First is hydrophilic type, and the second is microporous type. Hydrophilic type membrane, when membrane touch sweat or membrane meet with moisture, membrane start to sweating, start to absorb the sweat and transfer from your microclimate to outside. So this is the way membrane transfer the moisture. Second, microporous type. Microporous means into the membrane. Inside the membrane have many small holes, and the hole size is much bigger than moisture and much smaller than water. So that's why this microporous membrane can stop the water, but still allow moisture penetrate, go through the membrane easily. And on the surface, we can easily apply another knit or woven fabric with DWR finish, and inside we put another knit or fleece over won't touch or over comfortable fitting. So totally 3 layer inside the membrane, we can use bio concept. Not only the surface, normally customer just want to use recycled poly, recycled nylon, but nobody care about the PU membrane. And the Syntex, we provide bio-based PU membrane to reduce, repress, and reuse the energy. So this is AIRMEM, our bio-based membrane. And some customers, they also want to go more lightweight. So we suggest them can cancel the sheer fabric from 3 layer become 2 layer. But the membrane toward outside, abrasion not okay. So we have this new product we call AIRMEM Color Shear. This membrane can toward outside anti-snagging, anti-abrasion, but still can put the color inside. So that's the reason the name called Color Shear. Yeah, still waterproof, high breathable, membrane can toward outside, still protect you and let you feel breathable, comfortable, dry inside. This is AIRMEM Color Shear, and also you can see this slide. This is the process how we extract the coffee oil. Totally solvent-free, chemical-free. We just use CO2 to do extraction, so it's a very eco-friendly process. And this page you also can see water repellent, waterproof. Yeah, so when you wear it, go outside for lunch, suddenly raining, no need to worry because the jacket can protect you and let you feel dry inside, and you just simply shake the jacket, water totally out. So it's a very good idea. You see our happy fish magic cup. Fish right now is dancing because you see the bubble air. Yeah, air can go through the fabric easily. So means can bring more moisture from inside to outside. You feel more breathable and more comfortable. And what is this? This is the most eco-friendly bio-based recycled membrane in the world. Yeah, we call AIRMEM X. Right hand side still coffee. You see the coffee grounds. Yeah, so 26% still from coffee oil. And what is the left hand side? What is the white powder? I tell you. We recycle the industrial waste polymer, and then we try to collect it and make it into the PU membrane also. So AIRMEM X, we not only use 26% coffee oil, still have 20% is from the industrial byproduct, it's the waste. So totally 20 plus 26 equal to 46%. So this is the most high percentage eco-friendly membrane in the world. Also, surface backer, I can use different kind of fabric and provide the same function, waterproof and highly breathable. But the eco concept, the recycle concept is the most high-end one on the earth. We also prepare one video to show you how we produce this kind of product and collect the material, the source, so you can enjoy it. Okay, here we show you how we produce our AIRMEM X. We recycle the coffee ground and also industrial byproduct, PU polymer, and mix together, go through our pattern process to extract the coffee oil. This coffee oil we can make into polyol and polyurethane. Replace 45% from petroleum-based material. Surface I can laminate in different fabric like woven or base to provide functional textile. This is our AIRMEM X. Yeah, we also actually this AIRMEM X, this product, we already do research more than 1 year. From 2019, we already started to do the research, and during this year, 2020 TITAS show, we have a very big event to launch this new product, AIRMEM X, and we also get a very good response from the market. Of course, we also send to do different kinds of certificate, like USDA is certified our product can have bio-based content, and also we also have a GIS certificate. So both of them can let you feel our source is real from the West. And these two brands, Schaefer and Valde, they are the most green brand in Europe. Yeah, in Europe, they always use recycled material from us. They love our AIRMEM X also. Okay, the last part. If you would like to know more about our Syntex fabric or our Escape AIRMEM technology, please go to our website or you can email to me. Yeah, very thank you for your listening. Thank you, thank you.
Hello, Tony. Nice to see you again.
My pleasure to meet you.
Well, we thank Tony to bring so many surprises to us every time. But I have a question. Here's the super light jacket, and this is your AIRMEM.
Yes.
What is the exactly differences? Could you help us to know more specific?
Yeah, actually these two jackets, the weight is quite similar, but this one just one layer with wind block only and the water repellent on outside. But this one, AIRMEM, this time we have totally 3 layers. But
3 layers.
Yeah, the weight is the same. Outside water repellent, inside membrane, and also the backer.
Wow, cool. So the weight is exactly the same, but I also wanted to try how exactly is the weight. So now we put it on. It's about 120 grams. And now I happen to have my lunch is the egg. I have 2, 1, 2, oh my god, not yet. 3, it's less than the weight of 3 eggs, ladies and gentlemen. So it's 3 layers with so many different functions, including breathing and the moisture. So now, could you help us to know which layer is the function layer?
Middle layer.
The middle layer and made of the coffee oil.
Yes.
Okay, could you help us to know more about the procedure?
Yeah. We recycle the coffee ground waste from coffee shop. So this is the one and go through our process to extrude the coffee oil.
Okay.
Coffee oil, we can modify it, then produce polyol. Polyol, I can make a polyurethane. Then take this one, make a membrane.
Wow, so we see the membrane itself now.
Yep.
And we also want to have a little test about the breathable function. Okay, so now could you give us some water?
Yep. You see?
Wow, see the water here? And it's getting through and then gone. You will get dry still when you are working out or do some interesting things when you sweat. Wow, so this is membrane, but I also see from your presentation, there's the happy fish with another different kind of breathable fabric, right?
Yep.
It's a
microporous.
Wow.
And I just show you this one,
Okay.
Magic Cup. This use our microporous type membrane, and this is hydrophilic.
Okay.
Happy fish coming.
Okay. Fish inside,
Waterproof.
and now,
You can try.
okay, breathe. Oh, yes, it's breathing.
Yeah, air can go through.
So this is 2 different kind of breathing style, but can they apply it on different kind of sports?
Yeah, normally hydrophilic type is suitable for all kind of outdoor activity.
Yes.
And the microporous suitable for water sport, like a sailing
Oh,
or
Dragon Ball.
Yeah.
Cool. So you remember that. But also we see from your presentation, there's a very cool jacket that Tony is wearing right now. I thought it was leather, but now I see it's not leather. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Wow, cool. It's 2 layers, right?
Yeah.
Just only the membrane
and the backup. Yes.
Wow, cool. And the membrane is colorable, right?
Yes.
Amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, you know, we always want something newer and better. And now, here comes another thing. If we want to be more kind to our environment, can we do any improvement?
Yeah, we already have. We have AIRMEM X.
And it's already launched in September and also
yes.
Textiles.
Yep.
So ladies and gentlemen, if you like our products and like the where Tony have, you have to find
Syntax.
Thank you for your watching. This is the 2nd day of the Innovative Textile Materials Online New Product Launch. This is the end of the 2 days event, but this is a new beginning for you to contact us. So if you enjoy our video, please like it and subscribe our channel. If you want to forward this video to your friends or rewatch it again, don't worry. Shit. Thank you for watching today's online video. This is the end of 2 days Innovative Textile Materials Online New Product Launch. And this is the end of the 2 days event, but it's a new beginning between you and us. Please contact us if you like our video and how, like it and subscribe our channel. If you want to follow our channel or videos, even you want to rewatch the video again, don't worry, you just turn on the alarm and you will get the first-hand information when you put on the videos. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question for us or want to give us any suggestion, just scan the QR code or click the link below. We are looking forward to hear from you. So we have more video coming up soon. Remember, subscribe, like us, and turn on the alarms. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.